Sujata here for News Plus Views, and today we are at the International Fishery Expo happening at NESCO in Goregaon, Mumbai. And we have with us Mr. Sean. He is from Idea Force, that is the drones they are using and they are developing, and they are the world, they rank number 3 in the world. So Mr. Sean will be telling us about Idea Forge, how it is useful. Sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So Idea Forge is an 18-year-old company. It was incorporated in 2007 by our founders who were IITians. And since 2007, we've been in the field of innovations. Everything is being made indigenously. We take a lot of pride in creating the kind of products we have. Most of our products are being used in the surveillance sector, mapping, surveys. Of late, we've also been the first ones to provide drones for surveillance in Maharashtra fisheries. In fact, the state of Maharashtra is the first one to have used drones for basically monitoring illegal, unreported, unregulated fishing, also carrying out detection of areas where illegal constructions are happening on the jetties. These drones can carry out flights up to 2 hours, 2.5 hours, can fly up to 12 nautical miles. And while it is flying, live streaming can go onto multiple devices, including your palm tops, tabs, mobiles. And currently, we are flying these drones in 7 districts. 9 of our drones and teams, along with our partner Schnell, is flying. And while these are flying, all these violations and all these challenges which the government was earlier facing to implement marine laws are now being effectively implemented. We are also looking to do the same in other states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat, which are likely to follow the state of Maharashtra's initiative.
And I have heard one interesting fact about you are related to the Three Idiots when the drone was used.
Correct. So
Yeah.
the first drone which you see in the movie Three Idiots, which Mr. Amir Khan was flying, was actually a drone made by our founders, and it was actually being flown by our current CEO, Mr. Ankit Mehta. While Mr. Amir Khan was in the front end, it was being flown. So the journey started from then, and today we have more than 6,000 drones supplied to the various departments of the Indian government, states, and center. It includes 2,500 approximately drones to the Indian Army. We've done one of the largest mapping projects with the Survey of India, where 660,000 villages were mapped using our drones. And currently we do a work in forest, we do work in mining, we do work in urban infra. We are also looking to do a lot of work in logistics supplies now with a new setup of drones. Fisheries, in any case, we're doing a lot of work with the coastal police in few states. And with our new product, which is already being tested, we are looking at using it for coastal security and surveillance also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.